Dear Lord, the warning you spoke convicts my heart. You said, "What shall it profit a man if he gains the whole world and lose his own soul?" I am convicted for not being a bold witness to help others experience the forgiveness and freedom you offer by your sacrifice on the cross. Please, Lord, help me to be your faithful witness, sharing about you and the hope you offer to all. During this Lenten season, I will continue to do all I can, by all means, to be your witness. Amen.